So, what exactly is going on with Brian Shaw and Denis Siplenkov? Are they even going to continue arm wrestling? Let's discuss what these two said recently. In Brian Shaw's recent podcast, when Brian was asked by Brandon Allen about his future in arm wrestling, about his next opponent, Brian was unsure. In fact, he said that he needs to find the motivation to train for arm wrestling once again. It was because of the recent burnout which he had while organizing the Shaw Classic event, and along with it, the strongest arm on earth competition. He said that arm wrestlers were awesome, they were pretty easy to deal with, but as we all know, there were lots and lots of controversies, lots of negative stuff around that event, with many arm wrestlers quitting East versus West. That, combined with the losses which Brian had due to the Shaw Classic event, burned him out. And since then, it looked like he hasn't really trained for arm wrestling at all. It has been almost 2 months since then. Brian said, "I don't know who I will pull." It's a whole different conversation that he will have some other day. Is Brian not listening to arm wrestling news? We've already suggested a lot of opponents for him, and the regular viewers of this channel can tell us in the comments that when have I ever suggested a mismatch? Almost never. So Brian Shaw can go with John Brzezinski, he can arm wrestle Schoolboy, he can arm wrestle Leonidas Arcona, he can even go for Kirill Sarychev. All of these matches are available to him. All of these matches will make sense if he seriously trains for arm wrestling for 6 more months. The good news is that Brian is still in the gym. He knows that he needs to fall in love with arm wrestling training once again, and that is something which he's surely going to do. He said there is definitely something next, but he doesn't know against who and when. And another good news is when Brandon Allen directly showed his concern to Brian that he doesn't want to lose him from arm wrestling, Brian immediately answered that question.
I just hope we don't lose you, man. No.
Yeah.
So let's hope Brian Shaw soon finds an opponent, he soon makes a deal for his next super match, and he soon starts training really hard. And if things keep on going the way they are going, I think even a Brian Shaw versus Denis Siplenkov match isn't more than 2 years away from now. It can happen even before that, because Denis Siplenkov is not training. Denis was also recently asked about his spark which he seems to have lost from arm wrestling. Denis said that spark only comes when there is an opponent to train for, and right now there is none.
Тебе же не хочется утром встать там на работу. Ну ты же должен и делаешь.
Должна быть работа. Поэтому, чтобы была искра, нужен соперник. Соревнования.
I don't think Dave Chaffee is going to say no to a Denis Siplenkov match. All Denis needs to do is to message Robert Baxter and he can set that match up. But since Denis has announced that he will not compete where Devon is competing, by the way, he is one of the few guys out of the 27 who hasn't returned back to East versus West. So since he's not going to compete there, it is going to be really difficult for anyone to find a worthy opponent for Denis outside of East versus West. There are some guys in Russia who can give Denis a good match, but even they may be contracted at East versus West. If not, they're not well known, and that's why even though the match may be close, people won't really pay money to watch that happen. So Denis is stuck in a weird situation where he won't compete at East versus West, and unless he has a match confirmed, he won't really start training. That's why next month he's going to have his second hair transplant and he will take at least 1 month of rest after that. So he's not touching the weights, at least not in the manner to train for an arm wrestling competition for at least 2-3 more months, and that is not a good news for arm wrestling and Denis Siplenkov fans. When Denis made his comeback about 3 years ago, we all were hoping for a Denis versus Levan match, but at this rate, we might see the Denis versus Brian Shaw match very soon. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again.